Today is November 6th, and this is Gold Robotics. So we worked on our robots during the week because it's getting close to competition, and so
we have a lot of stuff.
a lot of progress to go over. So we'll start out with Reese's, which can function now.
All that other stuff. I'm not going to really do anything. Okay, so basically, I really don't know where I left off. I don't. I just know that I wired everything up, added a pneumatic system. I added a little intake thing for the tank so I can pump it up straight to use our pump and put air straight into the tanks. I had battery, brain. I added a second motor to our back lift because whenever it lifted up the base, it was kind of crooked whenever it was up here. So because we have some give on this part of the base, on this part of the lift, so we just added another motor to it, make it more strong, more stiff as it's going up. And then after we did all that, it's been coding for us for the past 3 or 4 days. We're just straight coding. So we're not going to have a lot of progress now. It's just going to be running odd-ons over and over again, trying to get them to work, getting ready for that competition. So it's mostly all I've done. I've added a gyro and all that.
So yeah, on the mechanical wise, we're for the most part done. There's still stuff we got to tweak, and that's going to be all season where we're tweaking stuff and stuff. But
this is why I'm under that.
Yeah, he doesn't have the pneumatics in right now, but it can lift it, and he can also balance on the ramp and stuff. So let's move over to mine, the tall robot. You can see. I don't know where I left off really. We got the rotator in. That's working. It rotates, as in the name. We added this little thing back here today. It goes down, so like if there's a mobile goal, it can kind of like bite into it. And then also at the start of the match, we can put a preload right here, and then it just into the goal. Pretty simple. As far as this end effector, we got this working so that this rotates this way, this rotates this way, and then it loads it on. We got about 50 to 75% consistency on that one, which is pretty good compared to what we were. By the end of the season, we should have, at least 95% consistency. And we got all the wires and motors hooked up, but since we added a lot of weight since the last time we tried to drive it, we have problems as far as it can't move. So we'll gear it down to where we can do torque and so we can do torque, so we can move it, and then so yeah, that's our progress. And Clayton's been coding a whole bunch, our whole driver control and stuff.
Yeah.
And
very useful.
I hope so.
All right, so we'll see y'all tomorrow, and so bye.
Bye.